So, do you think we should do more to promote social values in society?
Of course. In our way of speaking, the Eastern tradition, particularly Indian tradition, we say Shila, Charitar, Sanskar. These are our words, and we must improve the Sanskar, the Shil, the morality, and the ethics of the society and humanity. The value is a purely Western word. The Western people, everything judges from its price. Value means how much cost it. So this is a culture difference in the usage of language. So therefore I do not use value in the sense of morality or ethics or uh, uh, good conduct or sanskar, shil. But now today it is very much in usage. Value education, value-based education on the basis of UNESCO report. Now Indian universities also has a value education system. Actually, value education system, the word value is derived from the market oriented mindset. The market oriented mindset always looks for a value. Otherwise, we Indians, we say shil, charitar, morality, these are the good words, and we must improve.
So, as I belong to disadvantaged community, if I had remained there continuously, I have had a little hope. But now I'm able to talk with you, and I'm looking forward to join Media University. I think with this profession, I can destroy the social inequalities. And this potential is because of one Tibetan monk and all the supporters of Tonglen. So I want to say a humble thanks to Dalai Lama Guruji, you, and all of your works to the Dalai Lama Trust.
And I appreciate your effort and your confidence. And Pune is a very good place. I used to visit quite often, and that is after Varanasi, the second cultural city in India is Pune. A lot of educational institutions, and particularly traditional education, is very much alive in Pune. And since you are joining for journalism, you must read Gandhi's small booklet. Is called Hind Swaraj. Hind Swaraj. The beginning of Hind Swaraj, Gandhi spells out what is the responsibility of a journalist. And he described three basic responsibility of journalist. And from that viewpoint, you study the journalism, you will become a very very powerful person, and you can do a lot of things. Otherwise, actually, unfortunately, now in India, all the university were taught the journalism is the entire course is borrowed from Western pattern, and Western pattern, I don't say that it's not good. It is entirely different from the Eastern mindset. So we have to understand the differences. And sometimes it's very funny, right from the beginning, the journalist course, they would say, what is news? A dog bites man, that's not news. A man bites a dog, that is news. And sometimes they say, good news is not news. And news must be sensational to attract the readers. So this kind of way of approaching and way of looking, that is not a right view. The view has been colored, and the view is not based on the basis of reality or the truth. So therefore we have to be very much down to earth and accept the ground reality as it is, and with that honesty and a compassionate mind, that is basis for all kind of action. I wish you all the best.